Alright, the radius of the Earth is approximately 6,400 kilometers. Alright, so we've got our planet Earth here. And, ooh, that was awful. I'll tell you what, I can probably make this a little bit better if I use a circle drawing tool. That'd probably look better, wouldn't it? Oh, there's the Earth. Okay, so we've got our Earth. We know that from center to edge is the radius, and they're telling me that that's 6,400 kilometers. So if you want to travel to the center of the Earth, be prepared to go a long way. 6,400 kilometers. It's a long distance. The equator is the circle around the Earth, dividing it into northern and southern hemispheres. So when you see the word around, typically that's just a way of them saying, hey, we're talking about the circumference. The equator is a circumference of the Earth. It goes all the way around it. So the center of the Earth is also the center of the equator. So if the circumference was the equator, then this would be the middle of the Earth, and this is also the center the radius is measured from. So the question is, what is the length of the equator? So it's just a fancy way of asking us to find the circumference. And we know we have a relationship between diameter and circumference. And there's also a relationship between radius and circumference. But I think it's a lot of times easier to go from radius to diameter and then to circumference. So if we know that the radius is 6,400, that's halfway across. The diameter has a relationship of twice that because it goes all the way across. So we want to double that to get our diameter. So times 2. And that will tell us that we have 6 doubled is 12, 4 doubled is 8. So this would be 12,800 kilometers to get our diameter. And then to calculate our circumference, we use our special relationship constant between diameter and circumference, which is the pi multiplier. So we're going to multiply by pi, 3.14. So let's type that big number in. We got 12,800, and we're multiplying it by 3.14. And that will give us our distance around the Earth, which is 40,192. So 40,192 kilometers to travel around our planet, and that is the equator's circumference.